Hi guys, today we'll discuss about the difference between filters and calculated table. Okay, so for that we need some data. I already uploaded the data. It's in my Power View. So I'll go to the table view here and I'll show you the data. So this is the data I have, where I have 24 columns of data available, and I have 51,290 rows of data is available with me. So in that I have one column called country column available. Okay, so in countries, if you look at here, we have 165 countries available. I have a lot of countries are there with me. You can just see 165 countries are there. Okay, so out of these 165 countries, I have to work on only country India data now. Okay, so rest of these countries I will not work on that. I only work with country India. So in that case, why I waste my time working on orders table? I'll not do that. Okay, what I'll do, I'll separate the data for the country. I'll separate all the rows which belongs to country India. I separate that, I'll put that into different table, then I work on that. Okay, for that what we have to do, so for creating a new table, what we have to do, we'll go to home tab. Here we have option called new table available. I'll just click on that. Okay, there is a function called filter is available, so we can give any name. So for example, I'll give the function name as filter India, so is equals to. Okay, so as I told in the earlier classes also, whenever we write some DAX, before equals to you can write any name of that function, and after equals to, now we have to write the function name clearly. Okay, so I'm using the function called filter here. So as per the syntax, it is asking me for the table where we want to apply the filter and on which column you want to apply the filter. Okay, so I say very clearly, as my table name is orders table, in orders table I want to apply the filter, and it will ask you for filter expression. So in the place of filter expression, it is asking me on which column you want to apply the filter. So I say very clearly, I want to apply the filter on country column, where I have to select India from there. So India is a string, a text, the reason I'm putting under double quotes there. Okay, so I close the bracket. So I wrote a function very clearly. In the orders table, I want to apply the filter on country column, where I have to select India. So you enter that, a new table will get create here, where it will show you only India information. You can just see I have filter India, a new table was created, and if you look at the column of country here, when you drill it down, you have only country India information. The rest of the information is not available. That's how we can filter some rows by using filter option, and we can put that into different table. Okay, this is how we use filter function, guys. Now there is one other function called calculate table is available. So as I use filter function, I can apply only one filter. It's asking me only one filter. For example, if I want to put two filters, now I wanted to have country India information from the orders table, and in that I wanted to pick up the sale values which are above 3000 now. So here I want to apply two filters. One filter is on country column, where I have to select India from there, and the second filter I want to apply on the sales column, where I have to pick the values which are above 3000. There are two filters available with me. So when you have more than one filter, you cannot use this filter function. You have to go with the calculate table function. Okay, so I create a new table there. So there is a function called calculate table is there. Okay, so is equals to, I use calculate table function. It will ask you for table, which on which table you want to apply. So I say an orders table I want to apply, because orders table is my core table there, comma, then it will ask you filter one. So first filter I want to apply on the country column, where I have to select India from there, comma again. Then we can apply second filter on the sales column. I have sales column is also available in my data, so I apply on sales column. which are above 3000. So here I'm applying two filters, one is on country column, the other one is on sales column. So calculate table will accept many filters, no limit for that, more than one filter it accepts there. Okay, you enter that. Now data will get filtered as per two criteria. Now one criteria is what I have to filter India, it was filtered here, and you can just see here we have a sales column available where I applied a filter on that which are above 3000 values. You can just see here we have all the values which are above 3000. Okay, so this is the difference between your filter and calculate table function, guys. If you have the requirement to apply only one column filter, then we can use filter function, and if you have requirement to apply more than one filter, I mean more than one criteria, okay, so in that case we have to use calculate table function where it accepts more than one filter there. I hope I'm clear with this video, guys, the difference between filter and calculate table. Okay, so for more videos, guys, you just wait for me. Okay, I have a channel, Sayyid Babar Space Excel Solutions. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, you get latest updates on that. And guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.